Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Elden Ring on a low-end PC. First, let's cover essential initial steps. Always update your graphics drivers to the newest version. This alone can boost performance by 10 to 15%. Also, ensure your operating system is current. Finally, close all background apps like web browsers or chat programs to free up valuable system resources for the game. Next, we dive into Elden Ring's in-game graphics settings. Start by setting texture quality to low or medium to save video memory. Shadows are very demanding, so reduce their quality drastically. Turn off or minimize effects like motion blur and depth of field. For a significant boost, try resolution scaling at 80 or 90%. It makes a big difference with minimal visual impact. For more advanced tweaks, consider using a custom resolution utility to run the game at a slightly lower, non-native resolution. You might also find community-made performance mods helpful, but always research their safety first. In Windows, set your power plan to high performance for maximum system power. Remember to monitor your CPU and GPU temperatures to avoid overheating and throttling, which can severely impact frame rates. Finally, it's crucial to manage your expectations. Playing on a low-end PC means accepting some visual compromises for smooth gameplay. Focus on the incredible world and combat, not just pixel count. Experiment with different settings, combinations to find your personal sweet spot between performance and visuals. Aim for a stable 30 frames per second. It provides a very enjoyable and consistent experience in Elden Ring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.